Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring OpenClaw, an AI that goes beyond conversation and actually performs real-world tasks. From managing emails and scheduling meetings to automating workflows directly through chat apps like WhatsApp and Telegram, OpenClaw is designed to function like a true digital assistant. You can also use the open-source OpenClaw GitHub repository. We'll complete the OpenClaw onboarding setup, configure it using PNPM, and make sure everything is running smoothly. Let's start by checking the installation process. Here we need Node.js 22 or later version. Next, we install OpenClaw globally using PNPM. Once the installation is complete, we'll run the onboarding command to set up the gateway service and finalize the configuration. Now that we've cloned OpenClaw, let's quickly set up the configuration. First, you'll see a security warning. Just go ahead and continue if you understand the risks. Next, OpenClaw detects existing config automatically. You can either reuse it or update values, but for now, we'll stick with the existing setup. Then comes channel selection. Here I'm choosing Telegram bot for quick integration. And that's it, basic setup is done. In the next step, we'll connect and start running our agent. Now OpenClaw starts configuring the skills and dependencies. You can install everything, but for a quick setup, I'm skipping optional dependencies. Next, it asks for API keys like Google Places, Notion, and 11 Labs. These are optional, so you can skip them for now and add later. Hooks are also optional, so we'll skip that as well. The gateway service is already installed, so we just restart it. And that's it, setup is complete. Now let's open the UI and bring our agent to life. Alright, now our setup is complete, and this is the OpenClaw dashboard. You can see the chat interface is already live, connected to our Telegram agent. From here, you can directly send messages, test responses, and monitor how your agent behaves in real time. On the left, you also get access to agents, skills, sessions, and logs, basically full control over your AI system. And that's it, you've successfully built and launched your own OpenClaw agent. Now let's quickly explore the dashboard. First, we open the overview page. Here you can see gateway access details, token information, uptime, and overall system health. If the status says OK, everything is running smoothly. Next, we check instances to see active sessions connected to the gateway. Then we move to Cron jobs. This is where you can schedule automated tasks and reminders. Finally, we jump back to chat and simply type a message like, schedule a meeting at 10 a.m. and let the agent handle it. Now once we type, schedule a meeting at 10 a.m., the agent first generates a structured JSON response showing the tool call details, including the session ID, scheduled time, and reminder payload. If we navigate to the Cron Jobs section, we can see the meeting reminder listed there with its scheduled time and status. From here, we have full control. We can disable the job. Finally, in the Agents tab, we can verify that our main agent is configured with the OpenAI model. Now let's move to the Skills section. Skills define what capabilities our agent can actually use. Here we can see a list of built-in skills like password management, Apple Notes, Apple Reminders, Coding Agent, and more. Some of them are currently blocked because required system binaries are missing. This means the agent cannot execute those tools until the dependencies are installed. From here, we can enable or disable specific skills depending on our use case. Let's see how we can control OpenClaw directly from Telegram. As you can see, we've already sent a few prompts like schedule a meeting at 10 a.m. or what's the weather today? Directly from our Telegram chat. Now here's what happens behind the scenes. The message you send from Telegram is instantly forwarded to OpenClaw. OpenClaw then processes that request using the integrated OpenAI API, understands the intent, and executes the task accordingly. Before wrapping up, let's quickly talk about security. This is the security section in OpenClaw documentation. It recommends running OpenClaw security audit regularly to detect issues like exposed authentication, unsafe permissions, or elevated access risks. It's a quick way to check and harden your gateway before deploying to production. Let's run the OpenClaw security audit command to check for potential vulnerabilities in our setup. The audit reported 0 critical issues, which is great, but it did highlight a few warnings related to reverse proxy configuration, command restrictions, and model selection. I also ran OpenClaw Security Audit Fix, which automatically hardened file permissions for credentials and session files. However, configuration-level warnings still require manual attention, so while this setup works perfectly for testing, always make sure to properly secure your agent before deploying it publicly. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.